Morning Macabana Mahle, morning Macommander Mahle. This time around Macommander ngize ngesihle, ngize ngokuthi inesikhuthazo for 2026 by ama-election wethu. So as sizoba nama-election khona nje amagama nje 5 points nje ngifuna ukunisikela ngawo efanekeni be-aware ngawo and how to work ngama-elections wenu kuma-wards wenu, because as you know ukuthi this time around sizoba singekho fully financially so in an organization, kuzoba nama-crisis angeke aphumelele ngaleyo ndlela leyo, nama-resource wonke angeke aphumelele straight. What I will say, point number one, ningilalele, work together guys, have committee, nihlangane nikhulume ngama-issues wonke ayenzakalayo kwiwodi yenu, nikhulume nje ukuthi yini nibonayo ukuthi wrong njengamacabani. Nibe ne-meeting on your own. Okay, number two, ningakhulumani kabi namacabana mahle, ningakhulumani kabi. Ungakhuluma omunye ngoba wena ufuna ukuthi ube ngcono ngegama lomkhonto. No, we don't work like that guys. What are we working through this time around guys? Sisebenzela i-revolution ukuthi sifuna ushintsho. Point number three, don't be afraid ukuthi uncede emphakathini wakho. Showcase ukuthi la uhlala khona umakhelwane akanatshani. Make sure ukuthi you sleep ebusuku, one day you have one member at last omrecruitile within your community. Make sure ukuthi bomama ngaloko okuncane eninako, make sure ukuthi you do soup kitchen. Bobaba, make sure ukuthi you go around niklinela abogogo abangasakwazi ukusebenza, baklinela ama-toilet. Nani youth, asebenzeni sisebenzele abantu bethu guys. Let us showcase ukuthi we are taking this LGE election. How so? By us ukuthi contribute with our hearts, not expecting anything. Point number four, what we must be valued of. Guys, kumkhonto wesizwe, we are not here because of position. There is no position that is going to make you the freedom that you are crying for. There is no position. Position is oyenza lowo muntu omthandayo aye phambili. There is no celebrity to say positive. But what we must look at ukuthi thina sisebenzisana kanjani. We don't favor other people. Siqala silungise iy'nkinga zethu, sizibheka thina kuqala ukuthi okay sabaqabane, which ward, okay sihlangana kanjani ukuthi sishayele abantu bakagogo nalabantu bale-GNU. Guys, let me tell you, so by us doing so, it means ukuthi we are taking a change. Yeah, you get my point. Point number five, let us make sure ukuthi each and every street inama-volunteering abantu abahambayo baye ey'kolweni bayenze make sure ukuthi there is no bullying. Abantu abazohamba abayotake care abantwana ey'kolweni bayenze make sure ukuthi they share ama-problems wabantwana but not judging, so we can win abantu bethu sabantu bakumkhonto amacabane kaZuma. Ubaba uNcabalala ushilo ukuthi nawu umhlaba ngiyaninika, sebenzani, be ground forces. While useparlamente, while uku-legislate, I don't give a damn. Work for your people, the people that abakulethile ukuthi ube kule position okiyo, sebenzela bona. Then see ukuthi where are you going. You can't be a leader leading yourself. A leader is someone who is leading everyone. Then guys, let us show example ukuthi we have high moral and high discipline in terms of everything guys we are doing. Asingahambi sixoxe iy'ndaba zethu ngaphandle. Let's fix our problems ekhaya. Asibane indlebe inside our houses and see ukuthi ubani o-wrong. Because if mina ngizothatha iy'nkinga zala ngizise kumakhelwane, it's when I'm going to be exposed. And singavumeli abantu ukuthi basiphe i-command e-wrong. Guys, asenze make sure ukuthi guys siyayibheka nelona I forget to say but ngizobuya ngitshela. Asenze make sure ukuthi awabheka amapolisi. You understand? Let us look amapolisi omkhonto so that uzogayideka. Hayi ukuthi kufike noma ubani isihlaba esisuka kuphi kuphi sizokutshela ukuthi uyenzeni on your ward. How can you come from another ward? Why low muntu low? Even if ungathi kwi-ward yakhe, go and take, I'm sure you can't force it. Use parliament, come with 50 people from your VD that vote for MK. abahamba nawo angeke eze nabo. Umbuzo ukuthi kumakhelwane kenzakalani labo ohlala khona kule video, he won't say anything. So guys, we must be more valued. What you want to do kwividiyo yenu or iward yakho kula election, guys, do it as a team. Don't allow people to come from high head. Okay, we can accept a high command, but in which manner? We must look there with which manner are we taking the high command and which side are we taking the high command? Because yeah, when I look, it is frustrating, guys. Ukuthi sisebenzela abantu abangamasela. We are working with people who want to benefit for their families. So what I'm saying in everything, guys, ukuthi let us not be fools. Let us not be fools because of resources that they promised or because of what they promised you. Guys, even if bakupha 5,000 izophela, but what about umuntu omnyama lo lala ngadlanga, umuntu omnyama lo Ramaphosa amphi 350 athi uzophila ngayo? One is 350, but we are trying to defend that. Abantu batshontsha imali ze-organization, taking those money for organization lezi esifuna ukunceda ngazo umphakathi. Le mali eniyitshontshayo nithi niyayitshontsha nina kwi-MK, nithi abantu baphile ngani, because this money is for community services, community delivery. Khona isikolo e-109 right now as I'm talking to you silahlekelwe i-stationary se-1 million, but people are taking money. People are going everywhere. They are in holidays, saying I'm in holidays. Holidays for what? Because MKP or MK was supposed to come. All those rich people, all those leaders were supposed to come in this incident. But what they say the school, how can the school lost something and the school says to you, don't come? It's highly impossible. But what we get the feedback from them, they are saying, no, the school didn't allow us to come. No, it's full of nonsense, guys. Let us stand up as South Africans, guys. Say what you want is revolution. For who? For us, like people, and also other racist colors. But by us doing so, guys, we are saying everything must be mobilized.